So what we have right here is code for a commenting system in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So let's take a look at the code. So we have some HTML right here, and we have some CSS. So we'll kind of just scroll past that, and let's take a look at the JavaScript because that's kind of like my thing. So what we have right here is we have document.getElementById. So what we're going to do is this is the HTML for our comment form, and we're going to actually add an event listener to that. So think of the commenting system as just a form, and you have form inputs for like name, email, and then the actual content of your comment. So the event is going to be the form submission. So when the form is submitted, we're going to evoke this function right here. So we have the event parameter there as a parameter, and we have event.preventDefault. So we always have to do that. And now what we do is we get the input values. We have the name input, we have the text input. So let's scroll down a little further. So what we do is with the name input and the text input, we have to remove any white space from the beginning or the end of that. So we do that, remove the white space with .trim, and now we do some basic validation. So if the author field is an empty string, or if the commenting field is an empty string, what we're going to do is an alert box is going to pop up saying, please enter both your name and a comment. So we have that. And then we have to create the new comment HTML element right there. So what we're going to do is dynamically create a div, as you can see, and then we're going to add a class to that. So we have that. Then we have the author element as well, and the body element as well. So we do the same thing with those elements. And then we have obviously a pen child on both of those, the body element and the author element. So we have that. Then we have add the new comment to the comments list right there. So comments list equals document.getElementById comments list, as you can see. And then we have to actually clear the form field. So name input.value, that equals an empty string. And the same thing with the text input.value, that's going to be an empty string. So you have to clear the form fields as well. And then we have some key concepts and next steps. So this is a basic commenting system in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Nothing too complicated.